Good morning, everybody. So we are now on our first morning of our holiday in the Yorkshire Dales, and we've just come out for a little stroll down. This is Deepdale Lane. As you can see, we haven't got too much sunshine today. What we have got is very low cloud. It's a little bit drizzly, but it is still beautiful in its own rights, even with these cloudy views. We're just coming out just for a little walk down the dale and just explore the area around here. This dale is absolutely amazing. It's not very busy. We've only seen one truck and a jeep, as in truck, and a tractor. But the roads, as you can see, very, very narrow. So we really did have to squeeze into the stinger nettles to get away from the tractor. So we're now walked to, it's this lovely, lovely little nook bit that's got a beautiful waterfall in, and you can probably hear it. So just going to have a little look at that. How gorgeous is that? And this will be an absolute haven for you wild swimmers. This pool down here is so clear and so unbelievably deep. So you wild swimmers would love it. Me, no. To actually even get me to this point here is quite good. But isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. So we're just following this path down, hopefully to the river. It's running, yeah, it's running from that beautiful waterfall that we were now at. So we can hear it. It's going to be very boggy. So we decided to follow this footpath, which has basically taken us through these boggy fields, now over this really precarious stile down into the brook here. We've got to now get up and over that one there, and I did a stupid thing and put my shorts on, forgot my bug spray, and we are getting eaten alive by bugs. Midgie galore, you can probably see them. Anyway, I'm going. So we've now crossed over the brook again. These pathways definitely aren't walked that often, which is good because we have hardly any people. Well, I say hardly any people, we haven't seen any people. Tell a lie, two couples or one couple at the waterfall, but other than that, the only people we've seen
Hello there.
are
Me,
Robert.
I've been sitting here for 2 days waiting for a bus.
2 days, I don't think you'll get a bus there. You might get, no, you wouldn't even get a boat. That's gorgeous. It's getting, the cloud is now starting to lift.
It's humid.
And it's really, really humid now. So we made it back for our little explore down the road. We just went a little way down to the waterfall, and then we followed a couple of pathways that just took us across the fields, over the brook a couple of times. Didn't go the way that we were hoping it to go, because there is a walk from the cottage here to Dent, the village Dent. You can either walk along the road, which I think somebody says about a 40-minute walk just along the road, or you can walk along the river, which is what we were hoping to do to get onto that path. But I think I did read a couple of the reviews where some of these paths do come to like a dead end, so you then have to retrack your way back again. And to be honest, I mean, the ones that we found, I don't think they'd been walked for years. But anyway, it was nice just to have a little bit of explore down the dale. See, it's still a little bit cloudy, apart from the sun is now starting to break through over there. So I think what I'm going to do this afternoon is just sit and chill and read my book for a little bit, and then I might go for another explore, because we've got a footpath right along the side of the cottage, so I might just take a little explore along there. So I'll catch you later.
Don't know.